Hello, friends, and welcome to this news update from DCC Immigration. The Canadian Immigration Authorities never fail to surprise. Just when nobody expected a draw to take place, the IRCC conducted another express entry draw today for candidates belonging to the Canadian Experience class. Let us take a look at the results of today's draw. Another draw, which is Express Entries Draw number 188, has taken place on May 20th. In the latest draw, the Canadian government has issued 1,842 invitations to apply for permanent residence. The minimum score required to secure an invite in this draw is 397. It must be noted that this is a program-specific draw, and candidates belonging to the Canadian Experience class only were invited in this draw. This is the second Canadian Experience class draw of May 2021. The previous Canadian Experience class express entry draw took place a week ago on May 13th, in which 4,147 invitations were issued, and the cutoff score in that draw was 401. The cutoff score in this draw has dropped by 4 points as compared to the previous Canadian Experience class draw. Today's draw shows that there are very few CEC candidates in the pool now, and if these program-specific draws continue to take place, then the cutoff will continue to drop and candidates in the low 300s could also get an invitation to apply soon. This also means that whenever the all-program draws start again, then the cutoff score might drop after a few initial draws. The tiebreak in the latest draw has been set at April 24, 2021, 12:09:24 UTC time, which means that all candidates belonging to the Canadian Experience class and with scores 398 and above, as well as those with score 397 who submitted their profile to the Express Entry pool before the tiebreak date and time, will receive an invitation to apply in this draw. Now, let us take a quick look at the composition of the Express Entry pool of candidates as on May 17, 2021. To read the full news and further details, please head to DCC Immigration's Facebook page. If you like this video, then please like it and share with other people who may benefit from information given here. For more information related to Canadian immigration and life in Canada, please subscribe to DCC Immigration's YouTube channel. So until next time, stay tuned.